Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, U.S. Immigration News. We hope you're doing great. Well, in today's video, we will be talking about Visa Bulletin update for September 2024. The Visa Bulletin for September 2024 provides crucial information for those navigating the U.S. immigration system. This update includes the latest visa availability and priority date changes, offering insights into how these adjustments might impact your immigration process. Whether you're applying for a family-sponsored visa or employment-based visa, or seeking to understand the current state of visa allocations, this bulletin is essential for staying informed about your application status. This video provides a comprehensive overview of the steps and requirements involved in renewing or replacing your green card, so you can stay on top of your residency status and avoid potential legal complications. If you are interested in this, so to get all the information, pay attention and watch the video through to the end. Please hit like and subscribe. And don't forget to push the notification bell for an upcoming video. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Navigating the U.S. immigration system can often feel like traversing a labyrinth for many. The process of securing a green card can be daunting, especially when it involves waiting for the right time to move forward with applications. One key resource for this journey is the Visa Bulletin, a monthly publication issued by the U.S. Department of State and United States Citizenship and Immigration Services. This bulletin provides vital information about visa availability and wait times, helping applicants gauge how long they might need to wait before they can proceed with their green card applications. In this video, we will explore the Visa Bulletin for September 2024. Understanding this bulletin is crucial, whether you're new to the process or have already submitted your I-140 petition. With September marking the end of the fiscal year 2024 and the start of fiscal year 2025 approaching, it's an opportune time to assess the implications of the latest Visa Bulletin. This document not only helps in tracking your progress, but also provides insights into potential changes in visa availability as the new fiscal year begins. Overview of the Visa Bulletin. The Visa Bulletin is a publication issued monthly that provides information on the availability of immigrant visas. The bulletin is divided into two main tables. Table A, Final Action Dates. This table shows the dates when immigrant visas or adjustment of status applications can be approved for a green card application to move forward. The applicant's priority date must be earlier than the date listed in table for their category and country of, or their category and country of chargeability. Table B, Dates for Filing. This table indicates when applicants can file their applications for adjustment of status or immigrant visa. The dates in Table B can be earlier than those in Table A, allowing applicants to prepare their paperwork before their priority date becomes current. For September 2024, we will primarily focus on Table A, as it provides the most direct information about when you can expect your green card application to proceed. September 2024 Visa Bulletin. EB-1 category. The EB-1 category includes three subcategories: EB-1A, EB-1B, Outstanding Professors and Researchers, EB-1C, Multinational Executives and Managers. In the August 2024 Visa Bulletin, Table A for the E-1 category listed a status of C, indicating that the category was current. This is the most favorable situation for applicants, as it means there are sufficient visa numbers available to process applications immediately. For September 2024, the EB-1 category remains current for most countries. This means that applicants from most countries can proceed with their applications without having to wait for a visa number. However, for countries with higher demand, such as China and India, there are some changes to note. For China, the priority date remains in November 2022, and for India, It remains in February 2022. This means that only applicants with priority dates earlier than these dates can move forward with their applications. If you are a Chinese national who applied for EB1 in September 2022, your priority date, September 2022, is earlier than the date listed, November 2022, so you can proceed to adjust your status or undergo consular processing. If you filed your application in January 2023, your priority date is later than November 2022, and you will need to wait until your priority date becomes current. Understanding these dates helps you plan your next steps and manage your expectations about the processing timeline. EB2 category. The EB2 category includes EB2, DB tube, exceptional ability, EB2s, national interest waiver. For August 2024, the EB2 category had a priority date of March 15, 2023. For most countries, this date has remained unchanged in September 2024. Applicants with priority dates earlier than March 15, 2023 can proceed with their applications. However, similar to EB1, countries with higher demand, like China and India, have different dates. For China, the priority date remains in March 2020, and for India, it is July 2012. These dates have not changed, indicating a stable but potentially lengthy wait for applicants from these countries. Consular processing can be slower due to varying wait times for visa appointments at US embassies. In consulates, this delay is compounded by internal backlogs and the lack of transparent reporting on specific wait times for green card processing. Employment-based green cards, quotas and backlogs. The U.S. immigration system operates under a quota system, which limits the number of green cards issued each year. For the fiscal year 2024, the total number of employment-based green cards issued was 160,791. This is above the usual cap of 140,000 due to carryovers from family. Sponsored category. The total green card issuance numbers for family sponsored preferences were 226,000. Though these are not the primary focus of our discussion here, the additional allocation for employment-based green cards is beneficial as it provides more opportunities for applicants in categories like EB1 and EB2. Historical trends and future projections. Looking at historical trends for the EB2 category, there has been a fluctuation in wait times over the past year. At the end of 2022, there was no significant backlog, which was an ideal scenario. However, by mid-2023, wait times had increased significantly, reaching up to 16 months as of September 2024. The wait time has reached a historical maximum of 17.5 months. While this is a record high, it's slightly lower than some predictions that anticipated wait times might exceed 20 months by the end of the fiscal year. The new fiscal year starting in October 2024 may bring changes and hopefully a reduction in wait times as a new batch of visa numbers becomes available. For EB1, applicants from India are experiencing a wait time of over 30 months due to retrogression. This is a significant increase from the 14-month wait time seen in September 2023 for China. The wait time is 22 months, reflecting the high demand and country-specific caps. In summary, the Visa Bulletin for September 2024 presents a mixed picture for most countries. Both the EB1 and EB2 categories are current, allowing many applicants to proceed with their applications. However, applicants from China and India are still facing significant backlogs and wait times. As we approach the start of fiscal year 2025, there is hope for some relief with the renewal of visa quotas and the potential for reduced wait times. Applicants need to stay informed about these updates and plan accordingly. For those navigating the green card process, keeping track of the Visa Bulletin is crucial if you have specific questions about your situation or need personalized assistance. Consider consulting with an immigration attorney as always. Staying updated with these bulletins will help you manage your expectations and plan your next steps effectively. What are your thoughts on the Visa Bulletin for September 2024? Did you anticipate any changes or have concerns about the wait times? Share your experiences and questions in the comments below. Staying updated with the Visa Bulletin is a key component of managing your immigration journey effectively as visa availability and priority dates shift. It's important to regularly check these updates to ensure you are aware of any changes that could affect your application. For further details or personalized assistance, consider consulting with an immigration attorney to navigate your specific situation. Keep an eye on future bulletins for the latest developments in visa allocations and processing times. That is all for today in this video. What are your thoughts on this? Please let us know in the comments section below. Thanks for watching the entire video. Hopefully, the information is useful to you. See you later in the next video. Till then, take care.
Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel US Immigration News. We hope you're doing great. Well, in today's video, we will be talking about Visa Bulletin update for September 2024. The Visa Bulletin for September 2024 reveals key updates on visa availability and processing time for green card applications. This bulletin is crucial for understanding when you can expect to advance in your immigration process, especially as it marks the end of fiscal year 2024 and the start of fiscal year 2025. For the EB1 category, which includes EB1A, Extraordinary Ability, EB1B, Outstanding Professors and Researchers, and EB1C, Multinational Executive Managers, the status remains current for most countries. This means there are sufficient visas available, allowing applicants to proceed without delays. However, for China and India, the priority dates are November 2022 and February 2022, respectively. Applicants from these countries must have priority dates earlier than these dates to move forward. In the EB2 category, which encompasses EB2A, Advanced Degree Professional, and EB2B, Exceptional Ability, and EB2C, National Interest Waiver, the priority date for most countries remains March 15, 2023. This consistency indicates no significant change from the previous month. For China and India, the priority dates are March 2020 and July 2012, respectively, reflecting ongoing backlogs. The total number of employment-based green cards issued in fiscal year 2024 was 160,791, exceeding the usual cap of 140,000 due to carryovers from the family-sponsored categories. This increase is beneficial for applicants in employment-based categories, though backlogs for high-demand countries like China and India remain significant. Overall, the Visa Bulletin for September 2024 shows a stable situation with no major changes in priority dates for most countries. As with transition into fiscal year 2025, there is hope for a reduction in wait times with the availability of new batch for visa numbers. Keeping up with these updates is essential for managing expectation and planning for your next steps in the green card process.